Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to unmute video call rings on Snapchat. Follow these simple instructions to customize your notification settings and ensure you never miss an important call again. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up your profile settings. Next, tap on the gear icon also located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings menu where you can make various adjustments to your Snapchat preferences. In the settings menu, look for the notifications option and tap on it. This will open up a list of different notification settings that you can customize. Finally, locate the option labeled Ring and make sure it is marked to unmute video call rings on Snapchat. Once you've done this, you should start receiving audible notifications for incoming video calls on the app. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted video call rings on Snapchat. Now you can stay connected with your friends and never miss a call again. Thanks for watching.